Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Leanbe, a tool that claims to build better products with customers' feedback and a product roadmap tool. Leanbe is a platform that helps you collect user feedback, make a data-driven product roadmap, and announce product updates. So it's a roadmap tool with changelogs, widgets, and everything that you usually see on a roadmap tool. So if you want a roadmap tool, if you need it, that is the current roadmap tool on AppSumo. They claim to be an alternative to product boards. And let's check out how the deal works. One has different tiers, and if you buy more tiers, you get more projects and more team members. Those are the difference. And if you get the license tier 5, you get unlimited team members. And projects are the number of websites with different roadmaps that you have. So a project is an independent roadmap, changelog, etc. So that you will usually use to different websites. So let's check out how the tool works. So as you can see here, I'm inside a project and they show me some steps that I need to do to just create my roadmap changelog tool. So let's check the customization features of Leanbe. So as you can see here, you can change the logo, you can change the font. They have those different fonts here. You can change the color, so you can customize the tool to fit your branding. And you can also change the favicon. As you can see here, you can remove branding and you can also add a custom branding. And then you can, add your own watermark from your company and your brand URL. You can set up a subdomain so the tool will be totally fit to your needs. So they will not show up any Leanbe logo or URL. It will be everything under your subdomain and your own display setting, your logo, your own font, etc. Here is where you add your team members. You just click here to invite new users. And remember, if you buy more codes, you have more team members. If you buy the license tier 5, the final outcome, you get unlimited tier member. After you customize your project with your logo, with your branding, you set up your custom domain. So now you're going to set up your standalone page. So here is where you're going to change the display settings. So what are the features? Do you want to have a changelog, a roadmap, or a feature request? Your feedback? So yes, you want the 3 ones, or you want only the roadmap. So you can change here. If you want only the roadmap, you just let the roadmap turn it on. If you want all the 3, you turn it on all the 3. You can select a banner image. You can change all the color of your standalone page, of your roadmap page. Everything on the changelog as well. You can change the label, the meta title, the meta description, and also how the changelog view will be. The same to the feature request and the changelog. So they have some kind of SEO features to completely customize your experience. So after you set up your standalone page, you are ready to go. So let's check out how the roadmap looks like. So here is the roadmap. To add some feature on the roadmap, you just click on the plus button and then you just add your new to-do or your in progress. For instance, revamp the website. So we need to revamp our website. And as you can see here, you can insert video, you can insert image, insert links on your roadmap details. For instance, you can just add your website here and even choose to open it on a new tab. So you can completely customize the details of your new feature request and you can change the priority. And then here you can select if you want this to be a to-do, in progress, in review, or done. And you can change those features as well. To-do can, you can just translate, for instance, to another language, or change the meaning of those objects. Those status, you can completely customize it. And here are the objects. You can edit objects and add different objects. You can, for instance, select any one, and you can allow people to comment to your new feature or not. And then you add here a new feature on your roadmap, and you can see here is already here. And if you want to change on the column, you just change it here, and it's done. So it's pretty easy to move your roadmap. As I said, everything is customizable. So if you want to add new objects to your roadmap, you can just click here on Add New Object, type your new object name, and select the object color. And here you can see the roadmap integrations. They have integration with Trello and Jira. You can see here that they have a space for analytics where you can track the users that interacted with your roadmap. Here is the feature request. So you can easily create and upvote a feature request. To create, you just click here, and again, just create a new feature request. So people can upvote your feature requests as in any roadmap tool. Here you can create new notifications to your Changelog. So when you change something on your product, on your roadmap, when you create some news, you can just update your Changelog saying, hey, I just created a new website, new feature, and then you automatically update your Changelog, and then you can let your users know everything that you are doing to improve your product. And Leanbe has a widget that you can embed on your website. You can use their standalone page, or you can add a widget. You can create a widget here, a widget, and you can create as a pop-up or as a sidebar widget. You can create as a button on your menu, for instance, or as a link, a click me. And here's the button customization. So it can be a ring, it can be like an announcement icon, and you can change the size, small, medium, or large, and change the position that it will show up on your website. You can change the color, and also you can change which tools your widget will show up, if Changelog, if roadmap, if all of three. You can change the header title, what's new, or any kind of different, new updates. You can change here what's gonna show up on your menu, for instance. Okay, so the widget configuration, the button configuration, and the widget setup. You can change everything. And how you're gonna add your widget on your website? It's pretty simple. You're gonna embed the code on your website. So just embed the code on your HTML, on your home. Okay, you can do it on WordPress pretty easily, and it's done. And you can add animation, collect email subscribers with the widget, and fully customizable the colors. So that's Leanbe. If you want a roadmap tool, it seems that it has all the features you need to create your roadmap. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.